Assalamu alaikum, and today we are going to learn about integers. And so what are integers? Well, integers are type of whole numbers. So the first point about integers are that they are whole numbers. But this statement alone cannot define integers because integers are positive and negative numbers negative numbers. For instance, numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, and -4. These all numbers are integers. But now you'll be wondering that I said positive and negative numbers. So all of these numbers, you might be thinking they don't have a positive sign, but in mathematics, numbers without the signatures are already positive. So all of these numbers are positive numbers. So we can deduce a statement defining integers that integers, well, all whole numbers are integers, but all integers are not whole numbers. So we can write the statement that all whole numbers are integers but all whole numbers are not integers. What do I mean by this statement is that, take an example of this number over here, -1. -1 is an integer. It has a negative sign, but a whole number does not have a negative sign. It is only a simple number like 1, 2, 3. They're all whole numbers. But whereas these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are whole numbers, I can write +1. I can write +1 by simply writing it like 1. I can still say that this is a whole number because it has no signature, but in reality we can also consider this as an integer because we can write 1 as +1 and making it as an integer. I hope you understand what I mean. So let's learn some more things about integers. I can also say that all numbers present on the number line are integers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, 2, 3. Well, I didn't mention it earlier, but 0 is also an integer. So all the numbers present in the number line are also integers. But an important note to understand is that not exactly all numbers present in the number line are integers, because the number in between can never be integers, because for example the number between 1 and 2 is 1.1. That's an irrational number, and the condition I mentioned earlier was that it should be a whole number, and although it has a positive sign with it, it's still not an integer because I mentioned that it should be a whole number, because 1.1 can be also written as 10 by 11, 10 by 11, 11 by 10. So this is a fraction, and fraction can never be integers because they should be whole numbers. Same with the negative side. I will take -1.1. It can be written as -11 by 10. -11 by 10. once again, it's a fraction, although it has a negative sign, but it's a fraction. It's an irrational number, and irrational numbers can never be integers. So this is all these stuffs are the basic about integers. Before heading to the before adding integers or adding any type of operation to an integer, this is the very basic stuff we need to know about integers. I hope you like this video. Please press like, share, subscribe. Thank you.